Reverse Parking Collision Avoidance Assist detects collision risks and assists with braking to avoid collisions whilst parking in reverse. With the tailgate and doors closed, put your vehicle into R to automatically activate PCA. Press and hold the parking safety button to manually toggle PCA on and off. If a risk of collision is detected, a warning will sound. If a collision is imminent, a warning will sound and emergency braking will be activated. If the vehicle is stopped by emergency braking, a warning message is displayed on the cluster. After emergency braking, immediately press the brake pedal and check the surrounding area. PCA will deactivate when you change gear, or 5 minutes after operation. PCA can be set in the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.